Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Cupra Formentor eHybrid V1. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox. The petrol engine and the hybrid system help the car return up to 235 miles to the gallon, so very impressive fuel economy there. The car produces up to 201 brake horsepower, and the car has had 3 previous owners and has covered just over 33,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is the metallic magnetic grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, the theme continues. So you have the nice clean interior, the seats there are in really great shape. There's the armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has cruise control, and it's the active cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, so the car will brake and accelerate accordingly to the car in front, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. The virtual cockpit display, which I think looks really smart, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Opening the rear doors reveals a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers can control the temperature of their own air vents in the centre, as well as having 2 charging ports. And it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Cupra as well. One thing to do when you're looking to buy a hybrid Cupra is to make sure that you've got the charging cables, and there they are in the bag there, and there's both cables, one being the home charging cable as well. It's nice to see the previous owner also has fitted a boot floor protector, and then underneath the boot floor you've then got the carpet, a bit of extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator pump there at the back. Externally, the car comes with rear parking sensors, LED headlights, and the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.